start.
Good afternoon, my name is Dennis Reedy, and I'm going to discuss the motor cognition presentation regarding learning skills, a new skill that I was involved in the second half of the MSc semester for Sports, Exercise and Performance Psychology. Now, as I said, it was part of the SS 66113 motor cognition module. And the group I was involved in for this presentation and skill learning was a 5-member group. The members had sports experience from rowing, association football and Gaelic games. And the two new skills that we learned, one was a chip shot in golf, and the other one was a scrum half pass from the base of a scrum. And none of the members of the group had learned either skill before. Now, it must be stated that 4 of the members learnt the golf skill and one of them learnt the scrum rugby skill. So I based the reflection on the Gibbs model, which involves description, feelings, evaluation, analysis, conclusion and action plans. So if you discuss the feelings, considering our previous experience in sport, it was interesting actually to see the viewpoints of the different members on learning golf or rugby skills, considering we had very little prior experience. However, crossover skills from hurling, Aussie rules and Gaelic football did assist in learning the skill, as obviously looking at YouTube and internet examples of it. And there was a lot of crossover discussions between the members on that, so that was very helpful. So eventually that gave us a feeling of confidence, but also openness to all ideas during the presentation and during learning the skills. And evaluation of the whole process. Communication via emails as well as phone calls was very good. It was prompt, it was regular. So that facilitated effective allocation of roles, tasks, completion, and good teamwork. Everyone's opinion actually was respected. There was a positive atmosphere, lively discussion, which was good. Not just everyone just didn't agree. We had good lively discussion. However, one thing we probably maybe should have facilitated more was with the size of the group and with everyone's commitments. People were living in Dublin as well as Limerick. Sometimes it was quite difficult to meet with respect to videoing the skill learning, and it's maybe something we could have organised better. But having said that, it was a very, very good group. The analysis, we were happy with the presentation. There was good teamwork involved. We had quite a few challenges. I mean, most of us had not learned the Prezi presentation style before, so we all decided to help each other create our own Prezi slides, and that really helped. Something I hadn't prior knowledge of or experience of, so that was good. So I learned something new from that. We also, as I said, had great discussions, so that helped with question answering. A lot of us had read different papers and similar papers as well, so we were able to cross-check ourselves with respect to answers that possibly could occur in the presentation. So as I said, it was very good team discussions. Conclusion. Well, that's the majority of the conclusion. I was happy with it. However, we could have better identified the possible red flags when developing the presentation. For example, the time for editing, that went over what we thought. Definitely the time in helping each other learn Prezi and use Prezi, that also went over, and this actually curtailed then the presentation rehearsal time we had. So that was something we probably should have managed better. Also maybe better comparison between the two skills, because only one person was learning the golf or the rugby skill and 4 learned the golf skill. We predominantly focused on the golf skill, which is fair enough due to the majority of video time we had. However, maybe in the future I would better split maybe 2 rugby and 3 golf, learning the skills. Other than that, I mean, I think it was a very, very worthwhile experience. Happy I did it, happy with the team I had, and I definitely would work with them again, and I enjoyed also learning Prezi, so a good experience overall. Thank you.